So this is our first day and we stayed here in Siargao like 6 days. Our flight is actually early, so time is precious kaya we decided na before we check in, mag-explore muna ng places na malapit sa pag-i-stayan namin. This is the road na heading to our destination. I think this is the famous Coconut Road. So with the help of Tuk-Tuk, Kuya Tuk-Tuk, he brought us here sa Apam Bridge. Yes, Apam Bridge, I know familiar sa inyo yan because marami daw Apam. Actually, kakonti pa lang that time. So we got a time to look at this beautiful ocean and yung fresh air niya, yung breeze talaga. So, wala, mag-enjoy ka lang watching the locals na jumping on the bridge. Look at that. Sanay na sanay sila. Even the foreigners, some of the foreigners nagja-jumping dyan. And nakakatuwa lang sila. Kasi ang galing nila mag-swim. Well, anyway, after that, we did go na sa tutuluyan namin here. And yan yung dyan kami nagstay. Place is beautiful, peaceful, and safe naman talaga. Everywhere in Siargao, I think it's safe. Yan ang bed namin. Then we had lunch dito sa Purbada. That's famous I saw it sa TikTok kasi. So Kuya Tuk-Tuk also brought us here sa Cloud9. Because ni-request ko sa kanya yan dahil, yes, Cloud9 is one of my bucket list. And, yes, I'm happy to get here kasi talagang napaka-chill. And pwede kayo mag-lay down lang, mag-read ng books, kahit kung ayaw nyo mag-swim, dyan lang kayo sa tapos watching people surfing, yung mga ganyan. It's just, you can chill vibes talaga dyan sa Cloud9. And walang sounds, pero actually, may mga music. Kanya-kanya silang mga music sa every bar. May bar kasi dyan, restaurants, and some, yung mga pwedeng kainan ng mga sweets, karinderya, mga ganyan. May mga kanya-kanya silang music, actually. So, may mga people din na mag-a-ask if you wanna try surfing, mag-offer sila sa inyo. So, sa inyo na yan if you want to try surfing. I guess mura lang, mga 500. So exactly, look at that. Yung napaka-clear ng beach nila and white sands talaga. We're waiting for the sunset. So yan na, nag-appear na siya. Ang ganda talaga ng sunset sa Cloud9. Lahat siguro sila, they're waiting for the sunset that time. Ang daming tao dyan. Actually, mga turista. And may mga Pilipina rin, marami din. So we watch surfing, napaka-peaceful lang, no? Na titignan mo lang, nandiyan ka lang. It's worth it na talaga yung pagpunta dyan. And by the way, meron palang entrance fee. It's 100 per person pesos just sa Cloud9, ha? So guys, pag nasa Siargao kayo, don't forget to go sa Cloud9. One of the tourist spot yan sa Siargao. And yeah, it's chilling vibes talaga. So, yan lang. Yan yung first day namin. We had a great time na dyan sa Siargao, sa Cloud9. Look at the sunset. Beautiful, right? Napaka-peaceful. So guys, please watch my part 2 ha, yung sa ibang place naman sa Siargao. This is just part 1 kasi napakadami ko kasing yung mga in-explore ko, ang dami kasi. So pinaghiwa-hiwalay ko siya. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa first vlog ko, yung Siargao. So, yes, see you guys and thank you for watching. Kung may time kayo, let's subscribe and mag-likes na rin kayo. Okay? Thank you guys. See you. Bye.